Welcome back to my channel, and this is the last part of the shoe tutorial series that I'm making, and also I'll be showing a few more shoes that I've been making throughout my years. I do paint almost every pair of shoes that I have because it's fun. It's fun. Some of these shoes you have to touch up because the paint scuffs off eventually. But yeah, I'm showing a few more. Just putting that out there. I'll be showing this little thing today. How to make like a flappy thing. The flap could also be like a wing or anything that you want. I want to see everything that you make. Show me your shoes. Show me what you're making. This is the most easy DIY thing because you don't actually have to paint or be on your shoe a lot. It's just like a thing that you can take off if you get tired of everything. So yeah, it's just an easy little thing to make it a little bit more fun, because we need more fun fashion in this world. We need more fun overall, because life is well shit right now, and we just need a lot more fun. Just be fun. Just do fun things. Do things that make you happy. Life is too short, okay? Period. And yeah, enjoy.
So this is the shoes we're gonna upcycle today, and we'll start with taking off the laces. I have my cutout pattern piece that I've made, and this can be any shape that you want. I have some sturdy fabric, faux leather in my case, some plastic vinyl, and this is from a car seat cover for example. A marker in the same shade as your fabric, glitter, or whatever you wish to fill your plastic pocket with. Copy your pattern onto the back of your fabric. If it's not symmetrical, make sure you turn over your pattern and make 2 fronts and 2 backs. And if you make a cutout pocket like me, fill that in as well. Now fold the plastic vinyl so you have it in 2 layers and put your cutout pattern piece on top and trace 5 mm around it. And then you cut another 5 mm around that traced line. So basically 1 centimeter bigger than the original pattern piece. Sew at the traced line around your shape, but leave a space around 2 centimeters wide as an opening. This is where the vinyl pocket will go after we fill it. Now take your marker and color in those edges on your fabric. This will make it look more neat. And now time to fill the pocket with glitter. I use a small cone I made out of paper to easier get the glitter into the vinyl pocket. And when that's done, you sew the opening shut. I put hot glue on the edge of the vinyl pocket and place it onto the cutout of the fabric piece. I hot glue the other side of the vinyl to attach the back part as well. I sew it in place 2 mm from the edge. I trim the edges a bit to make them even before I sew around the edges on the whole thing. You can of course hot glue this if you don't want to sew. I use the marker to make the edges neat and more smooth in color. And then pop some eyelets in. Now we want to lace up the shoes with the wings on before we do anything with the laces. I'm using the cutouts from the fabric plus 4 more of those smaller hearts, and I just hot glued them together with the lace tops in the middle. Make sure you get the glue all the way to the edge. Now trim the edges and color them in with a marker. And we're done! I put some extra shoes in here just to show you that one can transform plain shoes to art in just some crafting.
Thank you so much for watching this little mini series that I've been making. I hope you enjoyed them all. If you haven't watched the other ones, then please go check them out because they're fun. I hope you get inspired, and I would love to see if you make any DIYs for yourself. Please show me. I want to see it. Like, message me or check out my Instagram. I'll link it down below, and just message me or tag me, or I want to see what you're making because it's so much fun to make things. Create. You gotta do it. You gotta create. You gotta make it happen. Just do it. I mean, you can't really blame it on time now, because you probably have a lot of it now. Just sitting around and doing nothing. You could just paint some shoes, or like hot glue some shit to another shit. A lot of shit. Just hot glue some shit onto something else and call it art. Love it. Love it. Thumbs up. Take care of each other, and I'll see you next time. Bye.